Hello, welcome to the second half of this beautiful cut and color. I need to share just a few things that I'm really excited about. This is my new focus on making my world a better place. I learned something from a 100-year-old book. Imagine your life is like a garden with plants that you water and you nourish the seeds, or do we allow the weeds to grow and the garbage to collect? At the end, I will share a few ideas and a challenge. Hi everyone, I am back with Gina, and she is seriously fun. I know I said that last. I tell her, like, keep talking because it's so cute, your voice. And she's like, well, then I'll never shut up. And I'm like, you are my girl, because.
And I mean that, I don't.
Yeah, we get along great. I just keep talking and she keeps talking. It's awesome. Anyway, okay, for her cute haircut, what I'm going to do is take a number 4 in the back here. Just up this far, and then I'm going to show you how I'm going to connect this, because I want to take this bulk out. There's a lot of bulk here, so you definitely want to take that out. And this way, with the number 4 like this, it just styles the hair when it's short like this. It just makes it look clean, just clean cut. And then up top and our sides, we'll just make it edgy, textured. We're gonna texture it a lot. Okay, so just up to here is how far we're gonna do that, all right? Now, the top here, I'm going to come in and point cut. We're gonna take quite a bit off of this because we just want it super fun, edgy. I loved how she used that word. When she said that,
Trending me up a bit.
I'm like, oh, yeah. She's like, trending me up a bit.
I'm a grandma, but I don't necessarily want to look like one.
See, I love it. Grandma, but she doesn't want to look like one. I love it. It's so good. Okay, so you can see I'm just coming around here, 90 degree. And you kind of see I'm coming kind of straight down, and then I'm going to connect down here. Okay, so I'm just coming around here. I'm gonna blend this. This isn't blended yet, but I'm gonna come back to that. So here we go. Point cut into that. Gina, you want it easy, right?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
It's gonna be easy. And I told her also, like, with her face and the way she is, just getting to know her also, just as in this short time, she can, you know, wear it the way that I'm gonna style it, which, you know, she'll be able to see that, but she can do it more soft if she wants. You know, she can just kind of change it up. That is the thing, a lot of people will say, you know, I just can't change up my hair, you know, if it's short, and actually you can. It's just learning those new things. You know what I mean? It's kind of like even longer hair, right?
Yeah.
You just kind of get in the habit of, I love that.
It's a funny age, isn't it, 11?
Yes, yes it is.
When they're starting to become, you know, the tweens just before becoming teenagers.
Yep, in fact, that's how my 12-year-old is now. You know what I mean? It's like, she just went through that, and now she's like, just at that stage where they're growing up and they're...
With little twins, she still likes to play with dolls, but she's, like when she was here just back in June, they'd come down to Bear Lake for a family reunion.
Oh, that's fun.
James family. And as soon as she got in my cupboard, she had my red high heel shoes on.
That's so cute.
You know, coming out.
No, she's an 11-year-old?
Yeah.
Yeah, see, red high heel shoes.
There you go. I said, don't break your ankle in those.
That is so cute.
She's a sweetheart.
Yeah, you're like, please don't do that. I don't want you to go home and have to go to the doctor with a broken leg. You guys can see I'm just moving her ear out of the way just to clean this up. Okay, these texturizing shears that are tighter, you can do that through here. Anywhere that you blend, you can take these shears through there. That just helps blend anything that looks just a little bit off. Okay, I'm gonna bring it up into here. I'm coming up to about, you can see about halfway. That's where I've been doing this. I am gonna take the chunky up through the ends. The reason I do that is because I want it different lengths. I don't want it like cut short and just like, we don't want no Q-tip, right? Is that a good way to put it? So you can kind of see I'm just gonna come through those ends there. And then of course when we dry, you guys know I always like to double check and then we can do whatever we need to. Okay, mousse. Love the mousse for her hair. She has a lot of hair. It's more of, it's not extra thick texture. You have perfect hair. Can I just say that? Like, I'm trying to explain it. I'm like, no, because it's not.
I've always had thick hair.
Yes, you definitely have thick. But the cool thing is you don't have the texture like most thick people do.
Okay.
It is thick, but usually thicker hair has a thicker strand, and it comes with a little bit more coarse.
Okay.
But yours is very soft.
Oh,
So it's crazy. It's, yeah, very good hair. Okay, volume and lift spray just through this area. I'm just gonna rub that in. Now we're gonna dry. Okay. Well,
Jonna, I love this.
Oh,
I don't know
good.
just saying it. I absolutely love it.
Good, thank you. I am so happy that we connected. It was so fun. She's awesome, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You
And
look
I'm
amazing.
so glad I popped into your sister that day.
Oh, thank you, me too. I appreciate your support, and you guys have a fun day. Do something fun. Go do something for yourself. All right, have a good one. See ya.
Bye.
I have a challenge for you. Do it right now. Plant positive seeds into somebody else's mind. Tell them why you appreciate them. Love life and those in it. Thank you so much for sharing, subscribing, liking, and watching.